everyone, welcome back. I'm Anita, and in today's video, we're going to be doing some Halloween DIY crafts. I can't wait for you to see all of these three. So for my first project, I have this garland, which I'm going to be wrapping on this wire wreath, and check it out. So I've been able to wrap it around a little bit, and I'm just going to hot glue the wreath, the garland to it. And this is what it looks like. For my next DIY project, I picked this little thing up at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to zhuzh it up to make it a little bit more scarier. So I got these rub-on transfers, which I placed on it like this, and all you do is just take it off. There you go. And this other one, which is a spider, there you go. I love how these came out. And you can do that too. It's very inexpensive. A little easy DIY project that you can make with your kids. This is how it looks with the little candle inside. As you can see, look at the little spiders, the stars from the rub-on. I love how it came out. And you can do that at home. You're gonna place the cloth on top and you're gonna cut it, because you're going to place it on top of the orange tablecloth. I'm cutting it to size. So that's what you see. And then I'm going to hot glue it. So now we're going to take our hot glue and we're going to glue it to the inside of the wreath. Just make sure it doesn't melt when you do so. And we're going to do that for the whole thing around. So now what you're going to do is finish by gluing the top part of it into the wreath itself. Got a little portion here left. So this is what your wreath was going to. So now we have all of the mesh all over the pumpkin wreath, and we're going to start to put the creepy black mesh on top. So now I'm going to place the twine here and I'm going to wrap it around and hot glue it, and I'll let you see how it turns out. So now we have wrapped around all of the twine to the tip of the pumpkin, and now I'm going to be placing these on top. So now we have both of our pumpkins on, and I'm going to put the face and you'll see. So this is the final product of my mini pumpkin wreath. I got all of the stuff from Dollar Tree. I got this printable online. It looks like this. You can search for it. You'll find it. Just put in mini pumpkin face and you'll get different kinds of pumpkin faces for mini. I loved how it came out. So as some of you know, I have mentioned in my last video that I wrote a book, and I'm so excited to announce that it's releasing on November 11th. Right now you can pre-order the paperback and the ebook through Barnes & Noble and the ebook through Amazon. I also have a giveaway going that if you pre-order my book, you're going to get a bonus chapter, but you're also going to be entered into my giveaway, which is going to be winning this book and a couple of other swags that I'm going to put into the pot. And from this book, it has some quotes that you're going to see. This one, I created a shirt out of it, as well as this one right here, Positive Always. I created this. It's one of my quotes that it's in my book, and you can get it. If you pre-order it, you can get this shirt in my merchandise store. I'm going to leave the link below. It has an array of different things from mugs, from shirts, tank tops, as well as stickers that you can get. And I can't wait for you to read my book. I can't wait to start sharing some more stuff on social media of it. Right now, there's a little snippet of it. You can see it in my TikTok, in my Instagram, in my Facebook. All you have to do is follow me, Anita Fontaboa, as well as Anita Fontaboa Author on Facebook only. Everyone else is Anita Fontaboa. I'll catch you in the next video.